Restaurants are one of the most lucrative businesses in the world. With ingenious recipes from the minds and hands of professional chefs, we have restaurants that serve deliciously expensive meals. So expensive are these meals that one may resort to asking before one places an order. Imagine you order a $2,000 meal before you know the price. The waiter comes with your bill and your jaw drops. Unfortunately, you have just $100 for your meal and your dates. Trouble in paradise. In this video, we'll talk about the 10 most expensive meals in the world. We will look at the recipes and the chef who cooked these recipes up. Before we begin, thank you for choosing to watch another one of our amazing videos. To enjoy more of these videos, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to get a front row seat. Good food is expensive, and some meals are more expensive than others. These meals do not only contain the appropriate, healthy amount of nutrients, they also appeal adequately to one's taste buds. Fitfully dressed, these meals are worth every dime spent on their purchase. Below are the 10 most expensive meals in the world. Number 10. Golden Opulence Sundae, $1,000. On our number 10 spot is Golden Opulence Sundae. This delicious cuisine is worth $1,000 and needs to be ordered 48 hours in advance. The dessert features 3 scoops of Tahitian vanilla ice cream covered in 23-karat gold leaf, almonds, caviar, and a sugar-forged orchid that takes 8 hours to build. It is served in a baccarat crystal goblet worth $350 with an 18-karat gold spoon. This marvelous dessert is made using high-quality ingredients that include chocolate from Tuscany, vanilla beans from Madagascar, and candied fruit from Paris. Its cone comes with gelato and is topped with caramelized pecans. It also includes white chocolate truffles, a raspberry macaroon, fruit-filled pipettes, edible diamonds, and gold leaf. This is a yummy way to end a date, don't you think? Number 9. The Zillion Dollar Lobster, $2,000. Our number 9 spot above Sundae is Zillion Dollar Lobster. This delicious meal is known as the Zillion Dollar Lobster Frittata. Lobster frittata is an omelet and is available at Norma's in Le Parker Meridian Hotel in Manhattan, New York. It features 10 ounces of Sevruga caviar, a lobster, 6 eggs, cream, chives, and lobster sauce, and is served over a bed of Yukon Gold potatoes. It also has been mentioned in the Guinness Book of World Records as the most expensive omelet in the world. Definitely worth the expense. This omelet is a source of adequate nutrition. Number 8. White Truffle and Gold Pizza, $2,420. There are certainly grades to pizza. This pizza is not in the category of your regular cheese pizza. Truffle and Gold Pizza was known as the most expensive pizza on the planet some years back. It sits comfortably on our number 8 spot with an insane cost of $2,420. Featuring a thin crust base, the pizza features buffalo mozzarella, white truffles, and is sprinkled with 24-karat edible gold leaf. If you fancy relishing this piece of pure delicacy, you need to head straight to Margot's Pizzeria in Valletta, Malta, where it comes with a price tag of $2,420. Number 7. Billion Dollar Popcorn, $2,500. Sitting comfortably at our number 7 spot is popcorn. Don't laugh just yet. This is not just usual popcorn. A 6.5-gallon tin of Burco's popcorn can cost as much as $2,500. Each of the popcorns is covered with caramel and 23-karat gold flakes. They are seasoned with Laso salt, which is not easily available. But is this bucket of popcorn still worth its price? Well, it is, as its proceeds are donated to a food bank that would feed around 200 people. Do you still think this popcorn is not worth the price? Number 6. 24K Pizza, $2,700. Another extraordinary pizza, 24K Pizza, is number 6 on our list of most expensive meals in the world. This pizza costs a whopping $2,700 and is masterfully prepared to suit the customer's taste. The 24K Pizza is topped with a layer of actual gold and is served in Industry Kitchen of New York. The dish is topped with edible gold leaf worth hundreds of dollars, Ostera caviar, foie gras, imported white Stilton cheese, and truffles. This lip-smacking delicacy is worth $2,700. Number 5. Fleur Burger 5,000, $5,000. Fifth on our list is Fleur Burger 5,000. This is no ordinary burger, as the cost speaks for its delicate nature. The daily meal served in Fleur by Hubert Keller in Las Vegas, the Fleur Burger 5000 is the most expensive burger not only in the U.S., but is also the most expensive burger in the world. It comes with a price tag of $5,000. The mouthwatering dish features Wagyu beef and is topped with foie gras and truffles. It also comes with a few slabs of prime foie gras and duck fat in a freshly baked brioche bun. The burger is served with a bottle of 1995 Petrus. Number 4. Beluga's Alma's Caviar, $9,884. The Alma's Caviar is the fourth most expensive meal in the world. The meal is served by Beluga and it is richly decorated and tastefully prepared. Served by Beluga, the only caviar dedicated restaurant in Dubai, a portion of 250 grams of Beluga's Alma's Caviar is sold for $9,884. Alma's is known as the King of Kings in the caviar world as it is the rarest and most expensive caviar in the world. The 24-karat golden cigar that is served with the Alma's Caviar is worth $422. Number 3. Louis XIII Pizza, $12,000. Another pizza, Louis XIII Pizza, sits comfortably on our number 3 spot, the most expensive pizza in the world. Louis XIII is known to have been created by Renato Viola. The pizza was initially created for 2 people and was just 20 centimeters. The dough used for it took as long as 72 hours to rise and needs to rest for a long time before being cooked. The lip-smacking pizza is made of ingredients such as 3 types of caviar, Ositra Royal Prestige, Caspia Ositra Royal Classic from the Iranian coast, and Caspia Beluga. Besides the caviar, the pizza also features a very expensive lobster that has been shipped from Norway, along with 7 types of cheese. Number 2. Fortress Stilt Fisherman Indulgence, $14,500. This meal confirms the fact that chefs are artists too. Offered in the Fortress Resort and Spa in Gala, Sri Lanka, the Fortress Stilt Fisherman Indulgence is renowned for being the world's most expensive dessert. It is prepared only on special request and comes with a price tag of $14,500. The dessert features a stilt fisherman that is handmade from chocolate. The base of it is an Italian cassata, flavored with Bailey's Irish cream. It is beautifully served with a mango and pomegranate compote and a champagne sabayan sauce and is adorned with gold leaf. Number 1. Grand Velas Tacos, $25,000. Topping our list is the Grand Velas Tacos. The grand meal takes on a plethora of expensive ingredients and carries a wellspring of nutrients too. The most expensive dish in the world, this taco features Kobe beef, Almas Beluga caviar, and black truffle brie cheese and is served on a gold flake infused corn tortilla. The taco is also served with an exotic salsa composed of dried morita chili peppers, Ley 925 Ultra Premium Añejos Tequila, and topped with civet coffee beans. Costing a whopping $25,000, the dish is available in Mexico and the new Grand Velas Los Cabos Resorts Frida restaurant. That's all for today's video. Let us know what you think about these expensive meals in the comments section. Thank you for choosing to watch another of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Have a great day.